Welcome to a new episode. Been a while, but still a lot to come. So today is not a normal episode. We're not going to work so much with the cars. We're going to do a little bit of look back to the M5. But apart from that, we're going to work in the workshop. So let's go. So I'm going to continue working on this M5 in a while, but first we're gonna do some modifications to the workshop and some preparation for the upcoming project. So yeah, today is a short episode, but still I'm gonna show you what's been done for your interests, and then we're gonna keep building like we always do. All right,
let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work cause my boss is a jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
yeah, so what you're seeing me building is actually this. It's a build table. So right now I'm doing the base, the structure on the base, and we're gonna put some boards on top of it. So more info to come. So yeah, enjoy the ride.
My right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Well, with a lot of effort and some sweat, it's coming along, coming together. As you can see, it looks like the drawing I showed earlier when describing what I'm supposed to do. It's very tight. It's the same tolerance when cutting with laser in wood like it would be if you were doing it in steel. So that means the wood is a little bit more like alive, well, I mean elastic, so it tightens up. So it's not like Lego, even though in theory it should be. So next thing, to secure this frame so it won't move, I have those boards. These boards have the holes cut here, unfortunately with the same tolerance, so we'll see how it ends up. However, those holes will secure the frame from moving and coming out of alignment. And apart from that, we also have this laser burned pattern with the 50mm squares, which means I can point out the center line of whatever I'm needing to do on this table. And yeah, let's see. So next step is to put those on top of this and see where we end up. All right, here we go.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
The first board is in place, so we'll continue with the next one, and the idea is that those teeth here, laser cut teeth. They are quite tight in the holes in the boards, so they are like exact. There is no room for error. And to know which one is coming next, there is a mark. So here is a burnt with the laser. There is a circle, half a circle, which will meet up with the half a circle on the next one, which is supposed to be coming in here. And it's going on like that. So you have on this board, there is one half a circle, and in the under end of this board, there is 2 circles, 1, 2, which means it then matches up with the next one and the next one. So here's 3. So in total, there's 4 boards here. So the whole build table will be 2.5 meters wide and about 5 meters long. That's the idea. So it gives you some possibilities what to do next when the E28s are no longer in the main focus.
I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough.
The table is done, or I mean done and done. It's at least sitting in place, and all of those laser cut holes really fitted into the teeth of the subframe underneath. See, all of them. It's quite amazing what you can do in CAD and with a very precise laser cutting machine. As you can see, the boards are not like aligned. It's because they are a little bit bent and so on. So that's why this subframe is going to be like, I'm going to use screws to draw it down so it's really attached to the frame all the way around to make sure that this is level and really, really strong. So that's probably the next mission here, to get the correct type of screws and to start like pulling it down. It's quite easy to see where the boards are because they are just exactly in between of all those dots and where you have the attachments. So, and you can see I managed to get the right boards in the right place. Here is like 3 circles. Moving up, there is 2, and the next one, there is 1. And of course, we need to force them into exact pattern position and then tighten with the screws. So still some adjustments to do, but it's a nice overview of the size of this table. So it's quite easy to move around in the workshop. This floor, thank God, is quite flat, so it doesn't need so much shimming to get this table in like, you know, leveled. So I think it should be fine. So let's draw some screws. So the table is now done in that perspective that it's like everything is screwed together and it's really rigid. So it's not gonna flex or move out of the way. And all the patterns, this cross pattern, 50 millimeter squares, they align perfect all the way from front all the way down to the back. So this holes and this subframe facing up into this this different holes in the boards really interlocks the whole thing, so it's impossible for it to move diagonally wise or whatever. So to make it even easier, I'm going to use a red marker like this on the center line. So I'm going to paint the center line all the way down before I'm putting any top coat on this boards. So I'm going to clean the boards afterwards, make sure that there is no like fingerprints or anything, and once that's done, I'm going to coat it with a 2K clear to make sure that it's possible later on to wipe it clean if there's any dirt or anything during the build. So yeah, and what's being built on this table It's quite a big project, but it's something I'm gonna show you later on. So yeah, keeping the excitement for a while. So next up is to do this Picasso work with the red line across the whole board.
I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind, I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it, I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
There's always a lot of junk when working with a project, so we need to do something about that, which means we're gonna put some cabins on the wall to get stuff out of the way. First cabinet ready, and it's quite nice. I mean, I choose the gray because it's easier to maintain. I mean, when you get dust and everything, they were available in like white, black. If you have black, it's always dusty, and if this one dust doesn't show, and I mean, you can put an inner shelf in the between if you want. Otherwise, keep it as it is, and could be light inside and everything. So it's quite cheap and easy. It's just that we need some more. Yeah, that's better. Now it's complete. 4 cabins, that will keep the bench and the working area clean from junk and tools. So let's put them on the wall. So everything's coming down from the wall to make room for changes, new items and future projects, so to say. So we're gonna just continue, just gonna rip everything down, most of it at least, to put the cabinets on the wall and to make it look a little bit more clean, nicer for you to watch at least. So I just carry on. Cabinets on the wall, you can see there's some on this side, and there is another set of cabins on this wall, so it will make easier for you to avoid seeing a lot of junk on the bench. So anyway, table is ready, cabinets are ready. So that's all for today. As you could see, there was a lot of things happening in the workshop and more to come. So I'm already editing the next episode, which will unveil the upcoming project. So that will be quite interesting. Please guess, see if you understand or if you have an idea about what it could be. There have been some hints along the way in the former episodes. I'm quite sure you can see in the background, or even, well, it's for you to figure out. Anyway, thanks for today and thanks for watching to the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe and send me a comment. I love getting those comments and I'll reply to each one of you. So yeah, see you soon.